So if you got a brake caliper bolt that you can't get loose, what you can do is turn your wheel to the outside, then take and use a 6-point, not a 12-point socket, and a nice long bar here, and it should be able to get this thing loose for us. Let's see how it does. Oh, look at that, one hand. Now that's easy, huh? That was easy. Let's try this bottom one here. All one-handed and stuff. That's right. That's right. There you go. So if you got some caliper bolts that you can't get loose, you might want to give that a try. Just turn your wheel to the outside. Get a nice 6-point socket on there and a breaker bar, and you'll be good to go. You're welcome.